What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to try something new and see if I can light my hair and get this blue tint that's still in it out without having to use my box dye, because the box dye probably wouldn't do a very good job of covering this up, I don't think. So I'm gonna use something I found off of YouTube as well as was told by my cousin. She told me hydrogen peroxide, but a lot of people on YouTube are like hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So I'm gonna give it a try today. So I'm gonna start by brushing out my hair because it's really knotted. My hair is not washed, you could probably tell, because yeah. But I have like really badly curly hair and knots, and I need to take a shower, so I figured why not lighten my hair, because I need to jump in the shower anyway. So I would try doing that first, but I'm just trying to see if I can get like a good before and after, just because I want to see how much the lightening actually works. So I guess we'll see. I already know my hair is probably like really damaged. It probably doesn't look that great. I don't think it's healthy. I probably have like, and it's hard to tell. Yeah. My hair is not healthy by any means, I don't think. I don't think it is. I have my makeshift mixing bowl. It's just literally a Parmesan cheese container. And one of the brushes from Sally's Beauty Supply. When I had gotten my other dye, this came with a kit that I bought. I'm gonna start mixing pure baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Soda everywhere. See you guys after my shower. Well, as you can see, there's still a lot of blue, but it does look a little bit faded. And I did do my roots with the solution too, and it looked like it lightened up a little bit as well. So I'm not exactly that disappointed with it. I just like having clean hair too. I might do it again, or I might just go over it with the box dye just to get it over with. Because I have such light hair, I look so bald. Not that bad. Remember, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and hit that notification bell if you want to see the next videos I upload. Have a great day, everybody.